In today's video, I'll teach you how to convert vertical video to horizontal video on Canva. So first of all, open the Canva. What you have to do is open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in canva.com. After you do that, Canva will be opened, or you can also open the Canva application if you want. Now initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to convert the vertical video to horizontal video, what you have to do is simply select the template of horizontal video. So click on this option video that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Make sure to select this option for landscape video. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to another tab where you can start creating. Now what you have to do is upload your vertical video over here. Click on this option uploads that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, click on this option upload files. Now go ahead and upload the vertical video over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here it will be uploaded. Now click on the video. Now you can see over here the vertical video will be added to the horizontal template. You can crop the video if you want. For that, click on the crop option. Now after you do that, you'll be able to select the part of video that you would like to be displayed. You can also adjust the size of the video if you want. Now after that, you can see over here the vertical video has been converted to the horizontal one. So like this, you'll be able to convert the vertical video to the horizontal. So that is how you convert vertical video to horizontal video on Canva. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.